I was sent this really cool little mini vacuum cleaner to do a review on. Let's get this thing unboxed and see what it's all about. We'll see you here in a second. Let's start with this piece right here. This looks like the base, the charging base. USB to C right there. That's for your C charging. This is the vacuum. Very nice. Pretty solid. Like we got some tape across this. We'll come back to that here in a second. And this looks like it is the container to catch all the dust and dirt. Yes, it is. Look at that. That looks good. That is the filter, the charger, and of course the little filters, little extra filters. And that looks like an attachment to the little vac, and then a little brush. So let's go back to the main vac here. Let's get this off. And that is the button. Oh, and there it's on. Woo! That's pretty fast. Looks like it's pretty straightforward. Oh, I hit the button again. Woo, that's powerful. Looks like it just snaps down there. And then releasing it has two little buttons on the side for emptying. Very, very cool. Pretty straightforward. The attachment looks like it goes on right here. Oh yeah, very, very nice. Woo! Yeah, that's got some suction. Looks like this sets down in the charger just like this for charging. C connector, and then of course plug this up into some power. Pretty straightforward. Pretty straightforward on emptying. Just grab a hold of these two little pieces right here and pull out, and then empty out what's in there, clean your filter out, and then put it back. This little piece right here comes off and allows you to get to the filter. So putting the filter back, you would just put this on there, line everything up, and put that little piece back on there. And then put it back in there. Very, very nice. I like it. The little attachment can be dropped down to here if you don't need the brush, and then back up there if you need the brush. Looks like when you're done with the attachment, it goes on the back. It can only go on there one way. Storage and charge. Very, very cool. Very nice little battery operated vacuum. You make a mess, pull it off the charger, put the attachment on, use your brush or not. Got two speeds, low and high. You clean the mess up. Take the attachment back off if you want to. Use the little brush if you need it. And empty the trash. Boom. That easy. Once you're done, put it back on the charger and it'll be ready to go next time.